This is how to properly filter tokens on Pumfun. Now, I use most times last trade because it shows actually the place where most people are trading. So you look at this now, and it has a very nice, Vine went to over 400 million market cap, and after Elon's tweet, before the owner of Vine actually said something about it. So when you use last trade, it actually shows the trade that people traded last, the coin that people bought last. So what are you going to do? When you come to this one now, you can actually click on the token now and check it out, maybe copy it. Okay, you see the dev has sold, but actually this was the last coin people traded, and you see a lot of people commented. So let's assume that the city now wants to shame the dev. They can actually want to write this to millions, but that's not what we're here for. So now you're going to look at the last traded, and I turned off the animations to avoid those flashy lights that keep coming and going. Now you see this one won the king of the hill. Now you can actually check out this one, copy the contract, scan it carefully, but this is the trades that people did last, and then you can also try out by last reply or creation time. These are actually very nice ways. You can actually try them out by the trending to see the meta that is trending, and what people are buying currently. So you are seeing that this is the DeepSeek meta, what people are buying currently, and how it's actually influencing the whole this thing. And when they launched it, this is 2 days ago. This one is, you look for a newer one that is launched less than a day ago or so. So this is it. When you come down here, you're going to actually verify when it was launched and how to actually capitalize on them and trade them. This is how to filter tokens properly on Pumfun without using Photon or any other filtering like Bulex or so.